What is Jupiter's Great Red Spot? Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a giant storm that has been raging on the planet's surface for at least 350 years. It is a swirling mass of gas, measuring about 16,350 kilometers, 10,159 miles, wide, which is roughly 2 to 3 times the size of Earth. The storm is located in the southern hemisphere of Jupiter and rotates counterclockwise, with wind speeds of up to 540 kilometers per hour, 335 miles per hour. The Great Red Spot's distinctive color comes from the presence of chemicals in Jupiter's atmosphere, such as ammonia and methane, which are altered by the storm's intense winds and UV radiation. Scientists are still working to fully understand the dynamics of the Great Red Spot, but observations suggest that it is a high-pressure system that draws in material from Jupiter's atmosphere, much like a hurricane on Earth. Despite its long life, the Great Red Spot has been shrinking in recent years, and it may eventually disappear entirely. Thank you all of you. Subscribe the channel for more updates.